tēnā koutou. Tēnei no taku mihi ki a koutou katoa te rōpū whiriwhiri, te rōpū hei arohaihai ana tā mātou tono ki a koutou. He honore nui tēnei mā mātou no te Whare Wānanga o Awanuiārangi ki te tupu tā mātou tono ki a koutou. Nō reira, tēnā no koutou katoa. O Te Kani Kingi tōku ingoa, ko au te kaiwhakahaere matua o te wahanga rangahau o te Whare Wānanga o Awanuiārangi. Mō Ngāti Pōkeko, Ngāti Awa, nō reira tēnā koutou katoa. As a wānanga, we are incredibly excited about the opportunity that this initiative presents, not just in terms of research, but being able to contribute to the mental health and well-being of our people. We have here, as part of our tono, developed a sophisticated and what we think is a very integrated solution. It has multiple parts, but which are designed to provide the best possible solution. We are likewise fortunate, and you will see this within the application, that a large number of experts from multiple areas and communities have lent their voice, their time, their energy, and for some, their aspirations to this application. Nō reira, tēnei te mihi ki a rātou hoki. The name of our application is Te Aratiatia o Te Hauora, gifted to us for this program of research by Suhirini Mokumira. It serves as a metaphor to help bind this application and its various strands. It also serves as a reminder of why this program of research is so important, not only to us, but our people, and to those with lived experience. Te Aratiatia ki